Good morning, student. Welcome to Sheba Group of School online class. Now we are going to organ system in animals. Last previous class, organ system in animals introduction is a human digestive system, and then organ system in animals of the systems, organs and function. Next, structure of alimentary canal. These are finished the last class. Now we are going to organ system in animals. Human excretory organ. Human excretory organ. Listen the diagram is a human excretory organ. First of all, the kidney bean shaped. Kidney is a bean shaped structure, and then reddish brown in color. Reddish brown in color. Next, the right kidney is placed. Right kidney is placed lower than the left kidney. Right kidney is placed lower than the left kidney. First of all, bean-like structure. Bean-like structure, the kidney shaped. Next, reddish brown in color. First, the top of the renal veins. This only is a renal veins. Then left, just below left kidney, and then two pairs of kidney. Left kidney, right kidney. Left and right kidney. Renal artery, renal veins are present the upper side. Next, this is a thread-like structures. Is a ureter. Is a thread-like structure. The ureter, that is called the urinary bladder. Urine collected with the tubes or the ureter region. Collecting the urinary bladder. Urine collected the urinary bladder, and the last ureter. Once again, each kidney is about 11 centimeter long. Each kidney is about the 11 centimeter is a long, 5 centimeter of the wide. 11 centimeter long, 5 centimeter of the wide, and then is a 3 centimeter thick. It's clear. Each kidney is about 11 centimeter only long. This is a 5 centimeter wide. Next, thickness is a 3 centimeter. Very important point. Next, kidney is covered by the layer of the fibrous connective tissue. Kidney is covered by the layers of the fibrous connective tissue. That is called a number of nephrons will be present in the kidney. Kidney is covered by a layer of fibrous connective tissue. Next, the kidney consisted of the outer dark region. So two regions will be present. One is a cortex region and the other one is a medulla region. So kidney consisted of the outer dark region. The outer dark region is a cortex region, and the another one is a inner is the higher medulla region. Inner higher region that is called the medulla. This point is very important. Kidney consisted of an outer dark region, so that is called the cortex region, and the inner region is a medulla region. So these are all the structure of kidney. Once again, the kidney is a bean-like structure, and then brown in color. The kidney left and right kidney are present in the upper sides, and the renal veins and the renal arteries are present. Then ureters are joined to the kidney, left kidney and right kidney. Ureter are joined to the urinary bladder, and the last one is a ureter. So what is the function? This is excretory of the wastage of the organ. Is a toxic, and toxic substances will be excreted to the in our body. First of all, the maintains the fluid and the electrolysis of the balance in our body. First of all, what is the function of kidney? Maintains the fluid. Fluid means already I told liquid formation, electrolysis balance in our body. So next one, the regulated the acid base and balance of the blood. Second one is regulated of the acid base only for the standard position balance of the blood. It's clear. Next, maintains the moisture pressure in the is a balance of blood tissues You see another one important one, ammonia, nitric, and then urea in the wastage of the excretory substances only excrete in our body. So that is called the toxic substances will be stayed in your body. So that is the excretion of the waste materials in our body. It's clear. Next topic, listen. Next topic, mechanism of urine formation. Mechanism of urine formation. So that is called the 3 stage of the mechanism of urine formation. One is a glomerular filtration, tubular reabsorption, and tabular secretion. So these are all the mechanism of the urine formation of the method of the stages. Okay, glomerular filtration. What are that? This is only a urine formation. Urine formation begin with the filtration of the blood. Filtration of the blood through the epithelial cells of the glomerulus. Okay, so that is called the Bowman capsule. This area is a Bowman capsule, structure of nephron, Bowman capsule. Once again, the urine formation begin with the filtration of the blood. Filtration of the blood through the epithelial cells of the glomerulus is called the Bowman of the capsule. Second one, tubular reabsorption. What is the tubular reabsorption? Tubular reabsorption is the filtrate the essential substances. Many essential substances will be such the glucose, amino acids, vitamins. These are all the filtrate for the essential substances of the tubular reabsorption. So what is the tubular reabsorption? Once again, the filtrate of the essential substances will be such as glucose, amino acids, and then vitamins. These are all the tubular absorption of the filtration of the formation. Next one, the tabular secretion. The tabular secretion means substances such as the H plus and K plus the secreted the tubular of the secretion. H plus ion and K ions is only for the secreted from the tubular. Okay, the structure of nephron, listen. This is a Bowman capsule. This one is separated for the filtration of the blood, this area. Next, collecting tube. Collecting tube is a distal convoluted of the tube. The inner tube of the distal convoluted of the tube. Next, the urinary bladder. Urinary bladder is full of the urine. Urinary bladder is full of the urine. Handle the expelled all through the urethra region. Expelled all through the urethra region. So that is called the structure of nephron. This one is a loop of handle, and then second set of the capillaries. Second set of the many capillaries are present. So second set of the capillaries, urinary bladder is the full of the urine is excreted, expelled through the urethra region. It's clear. So this is a mechanism of the urine formation. Next one, you have studied the lower section 6th to 8th reproductive organs, male reproductive and female reproductive system of the organ. Okay, I show the diagram. Male reproductive system. Human male reproductive system consisted of the testes is a primary sex organs. Is only for the defense, urethra, penis and accessory glands for the human reproductive of the system. Okay, what is a testes? This is a pair of testes like the outside the abdominal cavity of the male. Listen, a pair of testes lies outside the abdominal cavity of the male. These testes are the male gonads. Male gonads, the cavity of the male. So, male gamete, what is this? Sperms. Male gametes means sperms. And male sex hormones, testosterone of the along with the inner side of the cells. It's clear. Next one is Next one is a scrotum region. This is scrotum region is a only loose pouch like the sac-like structure of the skin, which is divided internally of the ridge of the left scrotal of the region. Okay. Next one is a vas deferens. It is a straight tube which is carry the sperms to seminal vesicles of this sperm. The sperms only storage for the seminal plasma of the seminal vesicles with the rich in the fructose of the enzymes. It's clear. Next one is a urethra. It is a contained the inside of the penis and convey the sperm of the region. Okay, it's clear. Next time, this is passed through the urethral opening and accessory glands associated with the male reproductive system. It's clear. See the diagram is the first part of the rectum region, urethra, penis, and then urethra, the body cavity, urinary bladder, and the vas deferens of this epidermis is outer skin layer is a testis. It's clear. Okay. Okay, next one, female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists the ovaries. Okay, male reproductive system, testis. This is a female reproductive system consists of the ovaries. The sex organs only the oviduct, ureter, and vaginal region. Ovaries. Male reproductive testis. Female reproductive ovaries. A pair of almond-shaped ovaries. What the shape of the ovary? Almond-shaped ovary is located in the lower part of the abdominal cavity. Abdominal cavity near the kidney in the female. Near the kidney in female. The ovaries are the female gonads, which are the gamete, egg or ova, which are the produce the female gamete, egg or ova. Though secrete the female sex hormones. Female sex hormone, progesterone and estrogens. Is a mature the ovary contain the large number of the different. Next one is a fallopian tubes, oviduct. Oviduct. These are a pair of the tubes originating the ureters on either side. The terminal of the fallopian tube. What is this? This is a funnel-like structure, funnel-shaped with the finger-like and the projection of the is a fimbris like the ovary. Okay. Next, uterus. Uterus is a pear-shaped. Listen carefully. Uterus is a pear-shaped muscular hollow structures of the present in the pelvic cavity. Pelvic cavity. It lies the urinary bladder and then developed of the foetus with this inside the uterus. Inside the uterus. The narrow lower part uterus is a cervix of the region. Next one is a vagina. The uterus narrow down into a hollow muscular tube called the vaginal region. It consisted the cervix and this external of the genitalia. Genitalia region, external cervix and the genitalia region. It receives the sperms only for the act as the birth canal. Listen carefully. Birth canal during the childbirth. Okay, it's clear. Next. Listen children, some important keys. Emulsification. Emulsification is a conversion of the large fat droplet. Large fat droplet to the smaller ones. Larger the fat droplet is broken to the smaller ones. So that is called emulsification. Conversion of the large fat droplet is into the small ones. So that is called emulsification. Next, enzyme. Already you are studying the previous classes. Enzyme which act as the catalyst to bring about the specific of the biochemical reaction in our body. Biochemical reaction and then ATP, NADPH, ADP. So is a biochemical reactions will be catalyst form of the enzymes. It's clear. Next one, mastification. Listen, what is the mastification? Chewing. Mastification is a chewing, the process by which the food is crushed. Food is crushed and is only for the is a grounded for the teeth. So that is called the mastification. Mastification, the process by, listen, process by which food is the crushed ground into the teeth. Crushed grounded by teeth only for the mastication. Okay. Next, toxic substances. You know toxic substances, what is them? Excretory product. Already you are studying toxic substances. Excretory product will be excrete in your body. So that is called the toxic substances. Substances that can be poisonous. Poisonous or the causes health effect of the living organism. Many times I am asking the toxic substances. Okay, substances that can be poisonous or causes the health effect of the living organism. These points are the very important one. The key point: emulsification, enzymes, mastication, and the toxic substances. Listen, student. Now we are finished the lesson. Is the organ system in animals. Finish the lesson. Listen carefully. Very soon coming from the quarterly exam. So your sit and study prepared well and send the homework every day. Okay. Thank you.